Greetings my friends and welcome back to another Android video, and today I wanted to have a little bit of a blast from the past. Most of the people that are newcomers know me for the products that I provide currently, which is Evo Trade Algorithm, right, Nexus Vision, Confluence, but also there is a tool that I don't speak about often nowadays, but this tool is still one of the best tools for real market if you are serious about trading strictly on real market. And I'm talking about Binance Assist Pro. This is the first tool that I have ever released. This is literally the thing that made everything happen. A lot of the money that I managed to make was made with this tool, and we have updated it like a couple of months ago, and still I think a lot of people kind of overlook it. And today I wanted to show you what in reality this tool can do for you and how easy trading real market can be. So we're gonna go into the market, we're gonna perform the trades with the tool, and if you would like to get one of these tools, Binance Assist Pro, Evo Trade Algorithm, or any other tools that we have tools for every single market, for every single style of trading, then make sure to reach out to me on Telegram at Android_pro, or simply click the link in the description below. Now let's go into the market and let's make some money as usual. All right, so the tool is really simple, right? All you need is to select an asset with a decent payout. So you go and look through the assets. For example, United States dollar, right? We have 91% payout, and not the best chart right here, but we can make it work. And this is exactly why I traded with this tool before, because it is able to perform analysis in almost any market. And we're gonna hit United States dollar. You have 8 time frames to select from 1 minute to 1 day. This is kind of, like I said, the first tool that we have ever released, and it's still to this day we follow this pattern of having 1, 5, 10, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours in 1 day, because these are the time frames that you should be focusing, and they kind of capture the different styles of trading that you want to go with. So you know me, I'm gonna go with 1 minute because I can't make this video too long, and that's it. Now you press start trading and the tool will start analyzing the market, and you will get the analysis really fast. And there you go, we have a sell position here, so I'm gonna place a sell position on a fresh candle. We're gonna place 3,000 on this trade right here. And the thing is that this tool is giving you probability of a successful trade based on the readings from many indicators. So for example, right here we have technical indicators. 7 out of 10 technical indicators are showing a sell position. There are 2 in neutral and 1 in buy. And then moving averages, we have 4 out of 6 moving averages showing a sell position as well. So this is a pretty strong sell position, right? We have our support levels marked out, we have our resistance levels marked out. So this tool really gives you a breakdown and what type of trade you are looking to take. Ooh, and in the last second, look at the precision. We could have gotten all 3 of these trades, but we still managed to secure the 2 of these. And exactly this is why I placed 3. So I placed 1 a little bit lower and then entered 2 a little bit higher, and the volatility here kind of helped us. So this was a bit lucky, but we still managed to come out on top. And in the end, this is what you want from a tool. It doesn't matter how close your trade is, it doesn't matter how close you get to losing. As long as you get the money, this is what matters. So we get our first trade right here, and we secure a little bit of profit here. Yeah, we'll lose 1,000, but we get $800 right there. So let's move on to the next chart. Let's do Euro Japanese Yen, for example. Again, pretty good payout, so we're gonna let the robot do the magic here, start trading. And we again have a fresh candle right here. This is the best type of entry, where you just have a candle spawn. We're gonna place 2,000 here, see how the price behaves in the next couple of seconds, and then adjust. Again, just like most of my robots, the time frame between the signal and your entry is very narrow, so try to enter as fast as possible when you receive the signal. And on top of that, don't place the trades after 20 seconds. You want to again perform fresh analysis. And this tool is really strong at capturing the current market moves. Again, it analyzes the entire chart, not only this section. It looks at the bigger structure, it looks at different time frames. It doesn't matter if you select 1 minute or 5 minutes, it's gonna look through all of the time frames and find the entry for you. So this again will be a very close trade. You can see volatility spikes up, so this is definitely dangerous for us and we might take a loss. But again, this is part of trading, and what's important is that you actually don't overcommit on these trades, and we still manage to get all the profit here. And again, you can look at the breakdown here. Active sell, 6 out of 10 indicators showing us a sell position. 4 out of 6 moving averages also showing us a sell position. We have our levels marked out, so we know where we need to be paying attention to in case we look to enter a certain position. So let's do one more trade. We've already made what, around 1600 and 800 here, 2.2k. So let's do one final trade here on a different chart. And again, I'm showcasing you going through different charts, right? We're not trading on one chart. This is really bad chart. Do we have United States dollar Canadian? Yes, we do. Let's look at what's going on here. Again, this is a very tough environment to perform analysis in, but we're gonna try it. We're gonna try it and we're gonna see if the robot is actually able to give us a nice signal even in here. Again, we just press a couple of buttons, we get our analysis and we're ready to go, and it's another sell position. So I'm gonna place 2k right here, and as the price, oh, I didn't catch that, as the price spikes here, I'm gonna place another 2000. But again, the danger of this chart is extremely high volatility. Look at that, this is not good. This is definitely super dangerous for us, but still the robot says we should be taking a sell position. 6 out of 10 on sell, 3 out of 6 moving averages on sell. So the robot says that we should be taking a sell position because the price will most likely drop down here, and hopefully it does happen. Again, this is not an easy trade. This is a pretty difficult chart to execute a trade on. Even if you're a professional trader, you can see you usually want to skip this type of chart and completely ignore trading on in this environment. This is extremely dangerous, and we're probably going to take a loss. I'm not gonna lie to you, this is not looking great at all, but maybe wow, this is horrible. This is really bad. So we take a loss. Wow. All right, we did take quite a big loss here. I think we lost 3 trades, so we have to do another one. But again, this was a really difficult chart to execute your trades on. All right, let's do our final trade on United States dollar again, right? There is no reason to go in on a highly volatile chart again. So let's try to bring it back on this chart. And again, the tool does all the analysis for you. You really don't have to do anything. And this right here is where you don't take a trade, right? We get neutral. That means the robot doesn't really know where to go for, and it gives you a neutral signal. And this is completely fine. This is also a great signal because you know that you shouldn't be placing any trades on this chart. So we're gonna go back to Euro Japanese yen, start trading, different chart, and hopefully here we have a little bit of a clearer situation for the robot. But if not, just keep looking. Again, you can perform analysis on many time frames, on many charts here, and maybe a different time frame will give you a different result. I'm going to place a little bit more here, 4k on this trade. Again, we're probably gonna see a little bit of a move here before the price really reverses here, but this is a very strong sell signal because we have 8 out of 10 indicators showing sell position and 6 out of 6 moving averages showing us a sell position. So this means that we are pretty confident in that the price will reverse here, and of course we are around a resistance level, so this proves even more that we're gonna see a rejection most likely. And again, this is not an easy chart to trade on. High volatility, you can already see the spikes going up and down, so this is definitely not going to be one of those, you know, easy trades with a lot of lead. We're probably going to swing higher here, and again, you can see that, right? So as a trader, as a standalone trader, this type of charts are going to be difficult to trade in by yourself, but this tool is really making a change to that. And wow, we did get a return here, but there you go. We finished the trading session. We've done many trades. We lost some, we won some, but in the end, we come out on top and make $4,000 of profit. So again, If you are like me and you sometimes don't want to perform analysis, you want to trade with the tools, and again, this tool has proven to be one of the best tools for real marketing. Like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, this is literally the tool that kickstarted my trading. I traded with it at the very beginning. This is the first tool that we have ever released. Yes, I was already kind of stabilized in terms of trading by the time I started trading with it, but my balance really blown up when I started trading with this tool, because I literally would just go into the market, do 7-8 trades every single day with this tool, get 5-6k every single time, and that lasted me for months and months, and I managed to scoop up so much profit. So if you want to give it a shot, if you like trading in real market, this is the tool you should be paying attention to. And of course, like I mentioned, we have many other tools available for you, so reach out to me on Telegram at ntrade_pro. The link is in the description below. We also do daily trading sessions, we do tutorials, one-on-one trading sessions, whatever it is, we can find a system that works for you. I keep saying this, the importance of having your own system that really resonates with you is extremely important. So check it out, leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. And as always, I will catch you in the next one. Peace.